Okay. Brownies.
Okay, brownies.
So, we're gonna do this.
Let's taste your brother's.
Here.
Brothers brownies. We almost finished.
It's like rubbery feeling.
See? I'm not the only one who thinks now. Who thinks so. Right? It's not that flavorful. I think it's because of the
not
brownies
chocolatey.
itself.
That's why we should have chocolate chips.
If I have any. Oh, I think he did the
Chunks.
3 eggs.
We have.
So it's cake-like.
Mm.
Oh, ours is gonna be fudge.
I do have chocolate out there.
No, we don't. We don't have any more. Duncan Hines. Yummy.
Duncan Hines. Yummy.
You know it's yummy.
You know it's
Num num.
a party in my tummy. So yummy.
You guys done yet?
It's a
Yeah.
party in my
Okay,
tummy.
pour it. Pour it.
Oh, I can say it. Here, I'll hold the bowl. Crap.
So it doesn't get chocolatey.
Okay, ready? Someone get the fork.
Get the
Careful.
fork. Erica, get the fork.
Careful, Erica.
Woo!
Ooh, ah.
I like parchment paper.
Mean wax paper?
No, this is parchment paper. So it's the one they use in Food Network. Hey, where'd it go? It's on your finger.
Hey, where'd it go?
Hold it. I'll finish it because you guys don't know how to scrape it.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
All the way over here.
Here, lick it. You can share with Erica, Alexa.
I can hold it. Just scrape it.
Okay.
Who wants the spoon?
Like,
Me.
no, it's mine. Just kidding.
That's mean. Me? No, it's mine. I'll even it out. Just get the rest. Oh, here, I got an idea here.
We do it this time.